Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be showing you some really cute, easy, and fasty hairstyles inspired by the TV show The Outer Banks. I have been so addicted to Outer Banks. I watched 9 episodes in 2 days. I think I have an issue. But if you guys love Outer Banks as much as me, you will know that the girls are rocking like all the time. They have the cutest hair, the cutest outfits. Their surfer girl aesthetic just really inspired me to make a video. Stick around if you guys want to see more cute hairstyles just like this one. Let's get into it. Alright you guys, before we get started with the first hairstyle, I just want to say I'm starting with my base just as my naturally curly hair, but if you have straight hair, all of these hairstyles will also work. If you have straight hair and you want to put some loose curls in, that would also be a great option as a base to start. First, for this hairstyle, it's really easy, but it's definitely inspired by Kiara. Like, she definitely has this hairstyle going on. Different scenes. So part your hair the way you want it and just take a piece of hair like this one. I'm not a fan of it. And definitely just split it into 3 sections. Go ahead and braid it. So once you get down to the end of the braid, see, like mine just stays. I think it's just because my hair is really like textured. But then I like to take a little hair tie. This is literally a rainbow loom. And then just go ahead and tie it off at the end. Once you have that first little braid and you're happy with it, I would definitely go through and like kind of pull it apart. I'm just gonna keep going around my hair and doing that. I did one and I did not tie it off with a hair tie. And it does look like a little bit more natural than that's like your personal preference. And I definitely do like quite a few. Alright you guys, that is the first Outer Banks inspired hairstyle all complete. As you can see, I just have all my little braids and I just let the loose ends be. You know that everyone in the Outer Banks was sporting a bandana, okay? So take a bandana, fold it in half like this, and then just put it down flat. Take the triangle pointy end, fold it in, and you're just gonna fold your bandana like into itself. So just roll it up like this. You can tie your bandana around your head. For your second hairstyle, we're gonna do a super cute half up, half down bun, and then you're just gonna have like these braids in the base to give it some more texture, make it a little more exciting. You just want to go ahead, take your hair, and any parts that you want up and out of your face. Then before you do anything else, definitely just pull out the baby hairs in the front. So you're just gonna take this section of hair and you're just gonna twist it all the way down to the ends. And then you're going to wrap it around itself. And you're just gonna keep twisting the ends of your hair and wrapping it around yourself. And then once you get to the very ends, you're going to reach under, and then you are going to take your hair tie and wrap it, hold the bun in place with your other hand, wrap it around, twist it, wrap it around probably 2, 3, 4 times, just depending on how thick your hair is. And now you're gonna have a cute little nub on top of your head. But that's probably not the look you're going for. So definitely just go ahead and pull it apart and make it bigger. You can basically just make it to the size of your liking. Super easy and super fast. And yeah, he definitely rocks a version of this. So yeah. The next hairstyle I have for you guys is so easy. It's just a normal everyday hairstyle, but I'm just gonna give it a little bit of my own twist. Hair, and I'm going to flip it upside down, gather it up, and then flip it back over. If you want to use a brush and you want a more smoothed out look, then you can definitely go for that, but I'm going for a messy look today. So put it right about there on your head if you can see. And then you just take a hair tie and then wrap it around once, twice, 3 times, however many you gotta do to feel good about it. I'm gonna take it, and this is where it gets cute. I'm gonna take it, twist it, and I'm going to wrap it around the base of the ponytail. And then I'm going to reach under, go ahead and tuck that in to the hair tie. This video is Outer Banks inspired. You know they would not be caught with a ponytail without a headband. So go ahead and take a bandana, a headband, or whatever. Pull your baby's hairs out. And then adjust it to how you like. Go ahead and tuck those ends in if you don't like them. This is just like a super cute and easy way to spruce up your ponytail by just like adding that wraparound. And then we have those braid elements from earlier, and they just give it a super cute beachy surfer girl. Okay, another really super easy and quick hairstyle that a lot of you are probably familiar with, that Kiara wears like literally half of the show, is this super easy messy bun that I'm going to show you guys how to do. You can take a hair tie, any sort of hair tie that you want, to brush all that hair upwards on top of your head, and you can flip it back over. So what you're going to do is you got the hair tie on your wrist. Alright, you're going to pull your hair through once, twist it, and then on the second time when you pull your hair through, you're gonna leave it, and it's gonna look ridiculous for a second. So then you're gonna want to take this and like just pull it out. Don't go crazy yet, because if you're like me, your ends are gonna stick out and like you don't want it to look like that. So you're gonna take the ends and twist them, and then you're gonna wrap them around, and then in the back you're gonna take your hair tie and then you're gonna tuck the ends back there under the hair tie. I hope you guys can see that. Have your general like shape. You can just pull the bun out. You can have it be as big as you want or as small as you want. But I always get, whenever I wear my hair in messy buns, I get a lot of compliments, so I just thought I'd show you guys how to do it. Definitely take your baby hairs out so you don't look like an egg. Take the front baby hairs out too. This is super easy and simple. You can throw your hair up like this in like 5 minutes. And Kiara wears her hair like this all throughout Outer Banks, but she a lot of the time will leave her ends like untucked. So if it's long enough where you can leave your ends untucked and it looks cute, then definitely go for that. Like that's super beachy, I don't care, did it in 5 minutes type of look. That's really, really cute too. Also, if you wanted just like anything, Kiara definitely rocks her headband a lot. Especially when she's wearing her hair up. So I will just put my bandana in, and you can just, if you don't like the things sticking out at the end, you can just tuck them in. I feel like I am ready to go look for the Royal Merchant right now. Alright you guys, for this next hairstyle, my personal favorite, I already actually got started on this side, so I'm going to do this side with you guys. This one is so cute, and I haven't seen any Outer Banks characters actually rocking this hairstyle yet, but it definitely gives me Outer Banks surfer girl vibes. So what you want to do is you want to split your hair down the middle and create 2 sections, which is what I got going on here. So once you have your section, just go ahead and take all that hair, make sure you have all of it, and you want to split that one section into 3 sections. And then you are going to just go ahead and braid that section. So go ahead and braid it for a few stitches. You don't want to have too many. So once you get, I don't know, it's like what, a third down your hair, that I have like 1, 2, 3, like 3.5 actual like braid. So you're gonna take a hair tie. I just have this a little hair tie. A clear one would work great. A regular hair tie works great, whatever. And you're just gonna go ahead and tie off the ends. Now this right here is pretty cute, but not looking as good as that side. That side's rocking. So you're definitely gonna want to pull apart your braid. And you just wanna make it like look big and messy. If you don't want it to look big and messy, then obviously that's your personal preference. Whatever floats your boat. But you can just go ahead and pull it apart to your liking. Go ahead and take a piece of hair that is not really doing you justice. Maybe it's a bad curl, maybe it's got something weird going on, I don't know. A piece of hair that you're not really feeling. Maybe it's frizzy, I don't know. Take a pretty reasonable sized chunk and you're gonna twist it. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go around to the back of your braid, the part where no one sees, and go ahead and pull that part out. And what you're gonna wanna do is twist your hair, and then you're gonna wrap it around, and you're kind of trying to cover the hair tie. And once you have it wrapped all the way around, so you just have the ends, go ahead and tuck those baby ends into that hair tie. And if it's still kind of showing, you can just move that hair around and just adjust it to your liking. And that's all for this hairstyle. You could also always take your handy dandy bandana or headband of your choice and definitely just like put it on top if you really want to get that Kiara Outer Banks vibe. And that definitely looks really cute with it too. Alright you guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed these super cute and easy Outer Banks inspired hairstyles. If you guys stuck around to the end, I want to know, because like you guys are the real ones if you're still here. So let's see. If you guys stuck around to the end, let me know by commenting your favorite character from Outer Banks in the comments below. I will be looking and responding. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video if you felt inspired and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!